Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to group and ungroup elements on your Canva design. Okay, let's go to the video. First, let's see how to group elements. Click on element and press Shift and hold and select other elements. When you select multiple elements, you can see here group. Click on that. Now you can see here these three elements are grouped. Let's see how to ungroup elements. To ungroup, put the cursor on a grouped element and click on it. Then you can see here ungroup. Click on it. Now you can see here it has ungrouped elements. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.